So are you saying that there is a threat of big war? Yes, we saw that already. We don't want that to happen.
We see some problems among nations, especially nuclear weapons.
That's what we are doing right now. We don't want war on this planet. We don't want nuclear war. Nuclear war could lead to destruction of this planet. Ang pangamba natin dito yung World War III. This is talagang very destructive because sa panahon ito, dahil uso na ang nuclear, may mga armas nuclear, maaaring mauwi sa nuclear war. So ito yung concern ng mga extraterrestrial beings, mga advanced beings, because they want us to evolve, they want us to move on to another phase ng ating buhay sa planetang ito.
Send your love to your fellow. Send your love to your country. Send your love to your pets. Send your love to environment. Send your love to every creature on this planet.
Gabi ng Misteryo.
Marami tayong mga nakuha mga mensahe, marami tayong channel na ginawa. And most of those channeled messages, kung pagsusumasumahin ko yung mga mensaheng yan, mula sa iba't ibang mga beings, ay iisa yung binabanggit nila. No? May mga very collective yung mga mensahe that we have to love one another. We have to be more positive sa ating pananaw sa buhay. Whatever happens, we have to deal whatever differences peacefully. Pwede mag-usap. Yung mga problema dyan, yung tension sa West Philippine Sea, sa Russia, Ukraine at iba pa, dapat wagahan tong sa mas matinding labanan. Ang pangamba natin dito yung World War III. This is talagang very destructive because sa panahon ito, dahil uso na ang nuclear, may mga armas nuclear, maaaring mauwi sa nuclear war. So ito yung concern ng mga extraterrestrial beings, mga advanced beings, because they want us to evolve, they want us to move on to another phase ng ating buhay sa planetang ito. So, sa mga iba't ibang mga messages na na-receive natin, na nakaugnayan ko sila since first part of this year, January pa to nagsimula Tuloy-tuloy itong mga mensaheng ito. From time to time, they contact me, they want to tell me, to all of you, kung ano yung mga messages nila. Ako nagre-relay lang ako ng mga mensahe nila. So, yun. We have to be peaceful. We have to resolve any problem peacefully. Dapat nag-uusap. Kasi kung hindi nag-uusap, doon nagkakaroon ng problema. At the same time, may mga babala about our technologies. We have to listen sa ganyang mga babala because yung mga napanood natin sa mga pelikula like Terminator about mga artificial intelligence, maaaring mangyari ito sa hinaharap in a very not distant, near future na yan Kasi pumapasok na tayo sa AI technology, di ba? Now, the other one is dapat i-preserve natin ang ating planet. Save our planet. Isa lang ang planeta nating Earth. Huwag tayong magre-rely dun sa mga discoveries, sa mga explorations outside of this planet na sinasabi naghahanap sila ng ibang Earth-like planets. Hindi natin alam yun. Wala tayong pakialam dun. Ang pakialam natin, ang dapat nating tutukan ito ating planeta. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. We can save this planet. So, dapat nag-isip na po tayo ng mga pamaraan na hindi tayo makapag-contribute ng pollution sa ating planet. Di ba? The use of plastics lalo na. Yung mga plastic na yan, delikado yan sa atin. So, I think, hindi naman kailangan tanggalin natin lahat kasi may mga pagkakataon na we have to use plastics. But, to minimize the usage of plastics ay malaking bagay yun. Plant more trees. Ang mga punong kahoy po natin ngayon ay talagang mabibilang na lang. Especially sa Pilipinas. Mga urban areas, dapat maraming mga puno sa urban areas. Huwag po nating sisirain. Sa mga kagubatan, dapat sana hindi tinatanggal, inaalis sa mga puno. I think yan yung mga very basic na messages na ibinibigay sa atin ng mga beings. Sila nga ay very concerned sa ating buhay nito sa third dimension, because we are now in the process of evolving to higher dimensions sa fifth dimension. Huwag nating sasayangin yon, yung prosesong yun. Nagsimula na po yan. So, maybe one time and one day, we will see all of this. We can interact all of these beings around us. Nandyan lang sila sa ating paligid. Di naman kailangan maging highly psychic ka to interact with them, because they know what we are thinking. Alam nila kung anong iniisip natin, alam nila kung anong ginagawa natin. Saka lang naman sila maaaring pumasok kapag very destructive na yung problema. Like nuclear. They don't like nuclear. Of course, kung nandiyan naman ang nuclear energy, we can use nuclear energy sa mas mabuting paraan. Although sabi ng iba, basta nuclear, delikado kasi destructive yan. But if we can shift from a very destructive nuclear energy to very positive like nuclear energy to provide power, malaking bagay yan.
We would like to reiterate our appeal to everyone, to powerful nations, to set aside differences. If you have some conflicts, you have to talk it peacefully and agree. Very good deal, not using any weapon. Violence is not an option. You have to talk it peacefully.
Are you telling us that those countries like China, Russia, well, I think also Israel, are you going to do everything to stop them? Yes, that's what we are doing right now in the Galactic Federation. We've already agreed that we will do that extensively, and everything will be good. Now, on the universal part, which is the effect of whatever is happening in the solar system and in the central sun, we would like also want to tell you that we are helping you to minimize the effects of that. Ano po ang stand po ninyo as I consider you as guardians of this planet. We keep on trying to do something not to escalate any problem, especially during these days. In Ukraine, I think it's slowly and gradually trying to neutralize what's going on. In your area in West Philippine Sea, I would say that China is now trying to de-escalate based on what's going on. We visited some of their leaders and in their dreams, and we relayed our messages to them. I hope they understand the meaning of their dreams. And also some leaders in other parts of the world of this planet, we keep on communicating with them, especially leaders in the United States and other powerful nations like France and other, Ukraine, Russia, India also. and other neighboring countries in Asia. In China, I hope they learned the lesson, and we activated some natural calamities to divert their attention. I hope now they are doing and they understand what's going on. So parang totoo pala yung naramdaman ko na you guys did those diversionaries so that China will focus on how to help their citizens affected by these floods in their country. Yes, we did that, and it's the only way that we can help you here so that there is no escalation of problem in the West Philippines in the South China Sea. We are trying to neutralize everything, especially North Korea, and between North Korea and South Korea. I hope everything will be okay. We in the Galactic Federation are doing our job to maintain peace and order on this planet. I hope everything will be okay. But we want also to advise you to believe in yourself, to maintain peace, and always project love to everyone another. Okay, salamat. Welcome, Ray, and thank you for this opportunity. And we thank you from Galactic Federation, and we relate our message through you. Thank you so much.
Alright, so yan. Wag niyo isipin na ako lang nakaka-receive ng messages. Meron tayong ganung kakayanan. All we have to do is to listen. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Jo, kasi nakikinig ka sa kanila and you receive their messages. So, sa'yo nagcha-channel, sa akin nagcha-channel yung mga beings. But ako, I believe, all of us are channels. Even Professor Jimmy Ligauco, yan ang turo niya sa atin. All of us are channels. All of us are receivers. We can receive these messages. Hindi lang sa ibang tao. Walang sinasabi ni special people. Hindi. Lahat tayo special. So, di pa uling lahat. Yan ating pag-usapan ngayong gabi ito sa Gabi ng Misteryo. Kaya maybe we can share our knowledge, our wisdom sa inyo on how to discover yung ating pagiging receptive sa mga messages niyan and how to interpret these messages na magagamit natin para sa mas mabuting buhay. Alright? See you.
Gabi ng Misteryo.